Brenda Sayers with the City of San Antonio's Human Resources Department, and this is Job of the Week. Today we're here at the Henry B. González Convention Center, and I've got my friend Rose here with us. Hi, Rose.
Hi.
She's here to talk to us about a job. What job are we talking about today, Rose?
Maintenance worker position.
Okay, maintenance worker here at the fabulous Convention Center. Okay, tell us more.
Well, a maintenance worker here does a lot of cleaning, obviously.
Okay.
We try to maintain our convention facility beautiful and clean, and we make sure that, people walk into something that's amazing, right? So there's going to be a lot of sweeping, a lot of mopping, a lot of cleaning windows. They'll be vacuuming. We maintain restrooms as well, so they also have to make sure restrooms are stocked, they're mopped, they're cleaned, the counters are wiped, the mirrors are nice and clear, so there's a lot of maintaining of the building. When we have big conventions that come in, we have thousands of people. Sometimes we have 10,000 people walk into this building. And so we're the maintenance worker will be the person that is hands-on, mopping the floors. If there's any spills, customers will be walking around with coffee cups, and sometimes they go and have lunch or breakfast down at the market. We do have a market here that has tables, chairs where they can sit and eat.
Nice.
So a worker would also be the person that maintains the tables clean, takes out the trash, makes sure that any spills or anything like that is picked up. Also any outside eating. We have an outside eating area as well where they have to also maintain and keep everything clean.
Okay.
So,
well, it definitely sounds like the person in the maintenance worker position would be tasked with, like you've said, maintaining our fabulous convention center and ensuring that the guests and the visitors and the people here at the conventions, they are left with a really good impression. They have a good experience while they're here.
Yes, we want everybody that comes to visit our convention center to always leave with an impression that we are one of the cleanest convention centers around. So yes, and also maintenance worker does some of the setups as well. A worker would be also the one that assists a crew in setting up tables, chairs for theater, banquets, conferences, for any of the events that also come to the Henry B. González Convention Center.
Okay, so not only will the maintenance worker position be working with and doing some of the custodial work, but then they'll also do setup.
Exactly.
Oh,
yes.
wow.
It's a custodial setup position here, and we have to utilize that because, we can only maintain the cleanliness of this convention center, when there's nobody here, you clean and clean, and then when there's conventions coming in, they're the ones that also bring in the tables, the chairs, and, we utilize kind of both roles.
Great. Well, it sounds like a position where you're going to be just busy, go, go, go.
Yes, there's a lot of walking. We need high energetic people, that are willing to take pride in their appearances and looks of the way San Antonio presents itself, right?
So you mentioned it a little bit, but what does the ideal candidate in this position look like?
The ideal candidate for the crew maintenance worker is definitely somebody that's high energetic, that has a positive attitude, loves to keep everything clean, so that would be a great one. Notice small detail, detailing, looking at small detail in any area of the convention center would be awesome. They can also learn how to, we use vacuums and we use buffers and we keep concrete floors clean. We do a little bit of waxing and stripping and stuff like that on the floors. So that's another thing that they're open to learn and use, equipment. That would be great too. And we do training. So if they never used a buffer or they've never used a scrubber or an aqua ride or a riding vac, they do give them a little bit of training or the full training that they need to use that equipment as well. So open to new things to do, new equipment to use as well. It's not just always the mop bucket and the broom. It's a little bit of everything.
Lovely. Great. Well, in addition to what Rose mentioned, the ideal candidate for this position should have at least 1 year of experience in labor and maintenance, Ideally, they would have a GED or high school diploma, and of course, the ability to read and write, along with a driver's license. Is there anything else you'd like to share with our viewers about this position, Rose?
Yes, the crew position also, or the maintenance worker position also requires a lot of flexibility. So we do have positions or first shift and second shifts in this position. The first shift starts at 6 in the morning till 2:30 in the afternoon, and then the second shift starts at 2 o'clock till 10:30 at night.
Oh, okay.
So flexibility is a must, and days off are rotating as well. So being allowed to give yourself to work weekends and stuff like that, that is kind of part of the job. Yeah.
Well, I'm imagining a lot of our events happen on the weekend, so you have to be flexible to work the events.
Yeah, definitely.
Perfectly understandable. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
If you're interested in our maintenance worker position, then I do encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers. Also, if you like this video, then I encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. See you next week.
Bye.